to browse hidden Instagram filters. You can see when you create a story, you can use different kinds of filters that Instagram provides to you to make your stories look better. So, if you want to explore on more filters on Instagram to make your story look even better, that you need to go to your story button in here and you need to swipe through these effects till the end where you will see the browse effect button like this. You need to tap onto it, then you will be taken to the gallery of effects. Now here these you can use for Instagram. These are from various kinds of Instagram users who created these effects by themselves. You can choose one of these and try it out, tap onto it, then you can tap on this camera button with try it, and if you like the effect you can tap on this save this effect button at the bottom. You can go back and also you can see below the effect gallery there are lots of options for you in which category you would like to choose the effect, for example fandom, sci-fi and fantasy, animals, and so much to look for. When you like any one of the effects you can try it, and if you like it you can tap on this save button, then it will be saved to your camera and you can try and use this effect for your story. You can choose from many gallery options in here. So I hope you have learned how to choose a new effect for your Instagram story like this.